Hello and welcome to this quick demonstration of how to set up auto printing for your Resto shop orders. So what you'll need is obviously a computer and a little thermal printer like this. This is made by Andal. You can get it off Takealot. Just Android device, an Android phone, and a computer. Other than that as well, you'll obviously need a shop from Resto. So please visit Resto, resto.co.za, and sign up for a shop, and we'll create a shop for you. So the one thing you want to do first is you want to pair your phone to the printer over there. So there you see it's just come up, Bluetooth printer. And click on that, and I'm going to go the pin 1 2 3 4 and pair. Right, there we go, it's paired. You will see the option to create an API key. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to say Resto Print. It should be set to your username because you're logged in, and you want to update it to read and write. You must be able to read and write. Generate that API key. So you can either copy the consumer key and secret, but the easier thing to do is obviously to save this image. And I'm just going to save it there. And there it is, saved on my computer, and we'll come back to that in a second. You just need to have it available on your computer for scanning, right? So the next thing you're going to want to do is obviously install the app. So just open up the Play Store on your mobile device and do a search for Resto Print. Right, there we go. Resto Print, I've searched, and there it comes up. First non-paid one. Okay, click into that and click on the install button. Should be a very go. That's it. Open it up. All right, so obviously you're going to get asked for a couple of permissions when we open it up. So please make sure to grant all of these permissions while using the app. Allow and allow. Okay, there we go. And what you'll see is a blank screen when you open it up like that because it hasn't been connected yet. So if you click the icon on the top right, you'll get to the API setup page. And I'm just going to get back to that QR code that we downloaded. That's the API QR code that we downloaded, right? So I'm going to click on the API, sorry. I'm going to click on this little icon here, which is the API scan. And it's quite sensitive, so you've got to be very careful with it. And I'm going to scan this QR code to get my consumer key and secret to connect to my site. There we go. See, it's populated those two fields now. So now I'm just going to put in the store URL. That's your full URL. Don't forget to put in the HTTPS part at the beginning. Right, so if you're using multiple locations, at this point you can click on Fetch Locations, and then this list will get populated with any locations you have in multi-locations you have in your store if you're using that facility on Resto. I'm not doing that for this demonstration for the purposes of this demonstration. I'm just going to leave that as none. And then under Select a Printer, if I click on that, you'll see here's a list of all the paired Bluetooth devices, and I'm going to select Bluetooth Printer, which is that little printer that we installed or paired with just a moment ago. Okay, and click on Save and Continue. Now, if we go back to my and start that app up again, there we go. Because what that does is it ensures that it starts a foreground action. Okay, and then the other thing we want to just test is that we are actually connected to the printer. So you'll see that there's print icons over here. I can click any one of those to print, or if I go click into any one of the orders, there's also a print icon at the top of any one of these orders, and you can print by clicking on that icon. There we go. Okay, so we know it's connected. Now what we want to just test is that it is in fact just running and checking for new orders as it should every 30 seconds. So what I'm going to do is turn off the screen, and then I'm going to actually place an order on my demo shop the same way a client would, right? And place the order. Right, there we go, order number 526. So if everything's working properly, the phone will, the app will play a sound, as you can hear, and it will automatically print out the new order as it arrives. There you can see order number 526, the order that's just been placed. And that's it. That's how it is, how easy it is to set up auto printing from your Resto shop using our free mobile app. Thank you very much.